Yeah.
I'll just put the rifle over there for you.
This is 19 right here. No, not yet.
Cool. Can you please start shooting whenever I get ready to?
She gets nervous, man. The noises.
You want me to show you?
You good,
They
mommy?
might think for not saying.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
You good?
Can I try your headphones? Because I think somebody else used it. And I think you're sliding with my head.
What?
Yeah.
What?
This is
Exactly.
All right. Do you have some 9mm rounds? You do, right?
I've got some.
No? Okay.
There's 100.
Okay,
Cool.
that big ass gun, not big gun?
Yeah, I had some of these, man, but I brought the fucking steel case ones.
Yeah, I had to put mine aside and
Which
buy
one?
some of those.
The one that I
Yeah.
rented? This one here?
Oh no.
Look.
No, no. So, no, we're just putting the guns up. So this 300, it don't make no noise.
Yes, it does.
No, it does
No,
not.
it's got silencer.
It's got a silencer on it and it's subsonic.
I'm gonna buy some more rounds too, okay? Oh. It's right here. I was like, where is it?
Yeah.
It's right here.
I'm gonna go ahead and set these up here, brother.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
All right.
This is 19.
Okay, so what we're gonna take turns.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
All right. Dude, I said no. I've got. I bought 100.
Oh,
So
it's
we
all
got
good.
more, bro.
It's all good.
And I got some more targets for free from Andrew. The
Nice.
other ones that he said that he recommended.
Huh?
I got them for free. He said that he
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Oops, careful. Sorry,
Sorry.
careful.
Baby, it's okay. It's okay, darling.
Josh is getting ready to shoot.
Yep. Let it rip, brother.
Go ahead, Josh. Damn.
I hit it.
Yeah?
I'm bad with that gun, but everybody else that shoots it's dead on. I'm the only one who can't shoot that gun. You want to shoot the small one? This
I'm gonna
is
shoot.
small.
I'm gonna shoot Megan's gun.
I wasn't ready.
Oh.
I do that too.
Bullet got jammed in there. It's in there. Oh, there you go. You want to shoot it? You want to shoot mine?
The one I ripped?
Do it.
It was the. Hold on, pluck it. I didn't do it with that ammo. I better clean it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can. Look at that, dead on. X.
Nice. I never got the X, but I definitely got the guts.
Yeah, bring it back just a little bit. Yeah.
I'm changing my target because I'm getting my on.
Yeah.
I wanted to learn how to.
Baby?
Sorry, brother. I apologize. I'll get another box. Yeah.
Don't worry.
You say what?
They're on sale cheap right now.
Nice.
That's the release, but you don't have it in there. Okay? So push it nice. Push it nice. Don't hold it here and try to do it. Okay? You won't have to do it. I know. Just listen, okay? You won't have to do it. I've already done it. Just take this, put it in, like that, and then don't let this go up like here, because when that comes back, it will fuck you up. Hold underneath.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay?
Especially here.
All right? Just a minute.
Hey, sir. This can't be out like this right here. This is gonna either
You
have
what,
to,
brother?
this is gonna have to be in its case or on the shooting bench.
Roger that,
Can't
brother.
have it sitting there.
Good seeing you again,
Yeah.
Jay.
How you doing, buddy?
Good,
We're
how are
coming
you?
in to get the simulator probably about 12:30.
Awesome.
Okay, bro. I'll get that up, okay?
You want to get mine from the back?
Hmm?
You want to get mine from the back or just leave
No.
it?
Oh, yeah, dude, that's right. Otherwise, it'll just put a shit ton of holes in there.
All right. Go ahead. You got it.